Hello and welcome to another miserable day. It's Friday, we're at Cockfosters. At least it stopped raining and the wind's died down a little bit. So it's just going to be, spoke too soon, just going to be a one-day video, this one. We'll see what we get up to. So I've got 3 trains today. First one is pick up here, straight down to Acton, and then a break, which is a pain, but anyway. So the train's going to T5, so we're just going to go to Acton. So we're not due out for about 10 minutes, so we're in no rush. Although, as I've said before, I'm never in a rush, because I'm built for comfort and definitely not speed. So I'm told everything is open, with the exception of Baron's Court on the east, but as that's closed for 6 months, don't really need to be told that one. So should, famous last words, be uneventful to Acton. So we made it to Acton Town without any issues. A couple of minutes late, but only because it's busy in town and there's big gaps in the service, so we're sort of getting held. Right, let's have a break. Right, time to get train number 2. We're going to head to Uxbridge. So it's Uxbridge back to Acton Town. Train should be the next one. It's about an hour and a half round trip. It's got about 17 minute turnaround at Uxbridge, so it's a couple of minutes late coming in, but that's fine. Uxbridge back here, and then we've got I think it's Terminal 5, Cockfosters stable. So if everything goes to plan, the only station we won't stop at that the Piccadilly Line serves on a regular basis will be T4. Yeah. Because my last trip I will be stopping at Turnham Green. And obviously Stamford Brook, Chiswick Park and the other one, Ravenscourt Park, we don't stop at, generally speaking. Well, Chiswick Park we can't stop at anymore, but the other two we can occasionally. Right, so here she is. Train 222. Well, we made it to Uxbridge. I've not been up here for, I think about 3 weeks. It's been even longer since I've been on the middle platform. So it was a bit slow coming up. We was 7 or 8 minutes late. We caught up with the train in front about Alperton, so it was slow then all the way to Rayners Lane. But we'll be out of here on time. Well, we'll be ready to leave on time, I should say. There's a Met Line train coming in. So this train is heading to Arners Grove, I believe, but we're going to get off at Acton. We still have one more train to drive after this. Just checking, yes, it's an Arners Grove service. So we're back at Acton Town. It was a little bit slow on the approach to South Harrow. So I think we was a minute or so late here. I've got what we call a step back. So in a little over 25 minutes, I'll pick up my next train on the westbound down to T5. Right, let's go get our final train. Acton Town, T5, Cockfosters and Stable. Stopping at Turnham Green on the east. Here we are at T5. Let's have a look. What time are we out of here? 23:05. So out of here in about 9 minutes. So that's nice. Up to Cockfosters Stable. Stop at Turnham Green. Obviously not stopping at Earl's Court on the... Sorry, not Earl's Court. Baron's Court on the east. Let's hope for an uneventful trip. So we're back at Cockfosters. Relatively uneventful. The only thing I had to do was got the signal early at T5, so I called them up and they said, yes driver, accept that signal. And then what I had to do when I got to Northfields, do what we call a stock and crew. So the train on the left just there, that's the train I was driving at T5. So basically we just swapped trains. But give or take a minute or so, we're on time. It was a little bit slow in places coming up. But other than that, no grief, which is what I like. So I just got to put this away, and then that's me done for today. Well, done for the work part anyway. So right, I've stabled the train. Now, you're going to ask me why we swapped trains at Northfields. Now, normally I'd say to you, I've no idea, just because we were told to. However, I've just brought the train in, this one here, and the TT, train technician, asked about flats. Apparently someone's reported flats on here. I can't say I noticed any, but this end I've only driven from the platform into here. Sometimes if you've got flats on the wheels, it could be you only hear it on a straight or on a left-hand bend or a right-hand bend, but it seems like that's why we swapped, so they can check it for flats. because I was going to say to you, I have no clue. But, so yeah, there you go. So that is me done for today. On time, uneventful, and the only place we didn't go was Terminal 4. So, yeah, good day all round. So I guess I better go home and do it all again tomorrow. So as always, have yourself a very good evening. Thank you for watching and take care.